Hello students, good morning. I hope all of you are fit and fine in home. Okay, so we have studied about different types of number system like your counting number system, counting numbers, your whole numbers. Then we have studied about fractions also. Then today we will study about decimals. Okay, decimals means with this also we'll write numbers. Okay, so what we are doing, we are easily writing fractions. So like that we can easily write the fractions in decimals. So let's see. So here you see I have 5 rupees 75 paise. Okay, so this is the big words. Okay, so many words we have written, 5 rupees and 75 paise we are telling, but while writing we have written this much big, but we can write 5 rupees 75 like this in decimal form. So here you are seeing this is rupee sign. Okay, and this is 5 rupees. Here one point is given, this is decimal. Then this one is 75 paise, means 75 paise is written like this, 0.75. Next you see I have 7 rupee 50 paise. Okay, to this 7 rupee 50 paise I can write I have this one 7 rupee 50 paise as rupees 7.50. This means what? 7 rupee 50 paise or rupees 7.50. So look how much easy is this writing as compared to this. याको जो तुम लिखियो कितने बड़ा बहुत सारा वर्ड्स यूज होची, बट याको दिस विल टेक लेस स्पेस. ओके, कम जगह रे तुम लिखि पारछो. Okay, which one will be easy? This one or this one? This one is easy. So we'll see what is decimal. Okay, so look it here, this point is given, this point is known as decimal point, this dot point, and this is used to show part of a whole number. Okay, so we have whole number, if we'll show the part. Okay, so this is also showing like fraction jemiti part dekhauchi like that. This also show, the decimals also show part of a whole number. So to understand the parts of one whole number, or that is unit, we represent a unit by a block. Okay, if we represent a unit by a block, let's see. Okay, so look at here, this whole block, this one block is divided into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal parts, means each part is what? 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10. This is also 1 by 10. Like this, each part is 1 by 10. Or you can say 1/10 part. Okay, so this 1 by 10 we can write as 1 by 10 equal to how much? 0.1 in decimal form. Okay, or in decimal notation. Here the dot represents the decimal point and it comes between the unit place and 10th place. So this place is what? This is unit place, and this place is what? 10th place. Okay, so we are knowing that what we have in place value chart. What we have? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, then 10,000s like that. But where will put decimal? After ones. Ones for a decimal put kariyo. Okay, so after decimal what will get? 10th. 10th part means 1/10. Here 1/10 means 0.1. We'll see if I'll take 3 parts out of 10. 3 parts out of 10 means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means what I'll write? 0.3. Okay, so here 0 is in unit place, this is unit place. Okay, this is decimal and 3 is in tenth place. So let's see how we can write. So look at here, as you know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So we have to find the opposite then. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So opposite 1 millimeter equal to how much? 1 by 10 centimeter. So this 1 by 10 what we can represent as 0.1 centimeter. Okay, so hence first number after the decimal represent the 10th part of the whole. Okay, so after decimal पर जो number आसची ताको हमें कौन कहबा 10th part. Okay, so here you will see 34.7. So look at here, 3 is in tens, 4 is ones, this is decimal point, and 7 is in 10th place. So it is like decimal. After decimal it is coming first place is 10th place. So this is read as, this reads as, याको आमे केमती पढ़िबा 34.7. Okay, so like this we will read the decimal number. Okay, so after point first place is 10th place, means 7 is in 10th place. So we can write as 34.7 equal to 3 tens plus 4 ones plus decimal, then decimal one we don't need to write, this is 7 tenth. Okay, so you can write 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 7 into 10th means what? 1 by 10. Okay, so this is the decimal number how we will represent. Okay, now look at here, numbers are given. Okay, places are given, place values, and you have to write the decimal point. Okay, so each number is given in place value. It has place value. Look, 5 is in 100. First number you will see 5 is in 100 means 500 plus 3 is in 10, tens place 30 plus 8 is in ones place means 8 plus 1 is in 1/10, 10th place 1 by 10. So what we can write? 538.1. Again I am writing 538.1. Like this we can write. Next, 2 is in 100 place, 7 is in 10th place, and 3 is in ones place, 4 is in 10th place. So we can write as 200 plus 70 plus 3 plus 4 tenth. 4 tenth means 4 by 10. 273.4. Next you see 5 is in 10th place, so 50 plus 4 plus 6 by 10. What we can write as 54.6. So by seeing this box, we can write by using the place value, the decimal number. Next we see representing decimals on number line. How will represent decimals on number line? Like fraction we have represented on number line, like that we will represent the decimals on number line. So to represent decimals on the number line, we have to divide the gap of each number into 10 equal parts. So here in decimals always divide the gap with 10 equal parts. Okay, in fraction you can divide as many as parts. Okay, like how many, what number is in denominator, that much you will divide. Denominator जो number था denominator जो 7 थी ताले 7 divide करिवो. Okay, but here in decimal you have to divide it into 10 equal parts, so the decimal show the 10th part of the number. Okay, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, these are whole number. So look at here, 0, 1, 2, 3, whole number is there. From 0 to 1 the gap is filled with 10 parts. Here 1 to 2 also 10 parts, 2 to 3 also 10 parts divided. So let's see, we'll find out 0.3. So 0.3 means it is between 0 and 1. So here you look, whole number is 0. So it is between 0 and 1. So here 0.3. 0.3 means 3 by 10. So look at here, 3 by 10 means first 10 divided, 10 parts divided, then you see 3 by 10. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 by 10. Means this is 0.3. Next you see 0.5. 0.5 means 5 by 10. So 3, 4, 5. This is what? 0.5 means 5 by 10. Next you see 2.5. 2.5. 2.5 means 2 and 5 by 10. Okay, you can write it as 2, 5 by 10. So where is 2? 2 is here. After that 2 is whole number, 2 and 5 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what? 2.5. Next to see 2.9. 2.9 means what? 2 and 9 by 10. So 2 then 9 by 10. So here this point is 2.9. So like that you can easily put in number line, but what you have to do, you have to divide the gap. You have to divide the gap into 10 equal parts. Okay, so 0 to 1, if you want that 11.3, so you will divide 11 to 12. If they are 11 and 12, you will divide it into 10 equal parts. Okay, 10 equal parts se divide karibo. Okay, so that you can easily find where is 11.3. Okay, so this is about number line. How you will represent decimal on number line? By dividing the gap into 10 equal parts. Okay, next you see, look at here, some examples are given. 2 ones and 5 tenths represent as decimal. 2 ones means 2 into 1 plus 5 tenths means 5 into 1 by 10. So you can write as 2 plus 5 by 10. So what you can write? 2.5. Okay. So 2 ones and 5 tenths. So what you read? Kemita ko padhibo? 2.5. Okay. This is in word and this is in number. Next, 600 plus 2 plus 8 by 10. Easily you can write 600 plus 2. What it is? 602. And 0.8 by 10 means 0.8. So what you can read? 6 102.8. Okay, so these are some examples. Let's see next, fractions as decimals. Okay, now you see how we'll easily write the fractions as decimal. It is easy to write the fractions with 10 as denominator in decimal form. If fraction is in 10, okay, like 1 by 10, you can easily write 0.1. 2 by 10, is it right? 0.2. 3 by 10, 0.3. But what about if denominator is not 10? If denominator will be not 10, like 2 by 5. Okay, here denominator is not 10. What you will do? We have to find the equivalent fraction with denominator 10. So you have to make this denominator 10 by making it equivalent fraction. So what you will do? 5 into 2, 2 into 2. What will get? 4 by 10. Now you can easily convert 4 by 10 in decimal form, that is 0.54. Okay, if I'll write here 7 by 2. So what I will do? I'll convert it into equivalent fraction with denominator 10. So 2 into 5, 7 into 5. So 35 by 10. So what we can write? 7 by 2 equal to 7 into 5, 2 into 5, 35 by 10. So this one we can write as 3 and 5 by 10. Okay, so 3 is what? Whole number. So 3.5. Okay, so like that we can easily convert the fractions as decimal if the denominator is also not 10. Okay, we have to convert the denominator as 10 by into equivalent fraction with equivalent fraction. Okay, next you see some example. Convert 12 by 5 and 3 by 2 in decimal form. So look at here, 12 by 5. So 5, you see denominator is not 10. So you convert it into equivalent fraction with denominator 10. So 12 into 5 into 2. So here also 2. So 5 2 are 10. 12 2 are 24 by 10. So look at here, 24 by 10. So what you will write? 2 and 4 by 10. So what you can write? 2 point, or you can write 2.4. Or you can write as 24 by 10 equal to 20 plus 4 by 10. What you can write? 20 by 10 plus 4 by 10. So 20 by 10 is 2 plus 4 by 10. By this also you can write 2.4. Sorry, 2.4. Next you see 3 by 2. 3 by 2 equal to 3 into 2 into 5, 3 into 5. What you get? 15 by 10. So what you can write? 10 plus 5 by 10. Okay, 15 is what? 10 plus 5. So you can write as 10 by 10 plus 5 by 10. So 10 by 10 is what? 1. This is whole number plus 5 by 10. This is what? Fraction. So 1.5. Like this you can convert the fraction into decimal form. Let's see how you can convert the decimal into fraction form. So look at here, 2.5, right? 2.5 in a fraction. So 2.5 means 2 means 2 plus 0.5 means 5 by 10. 5 2 is in unit place, so 2, and 5 is in 10th place means 5 by 10. So you can write as 2 and 5 by 10. So now convert it into equivalent fraction with 10, this 2. So what you can write? That so here you can convert the 2 as equivalent fraction. So 2 equal to 2 into 10 by 2 means what? 2 by 1? 1 into 10. So what you can found? 20 by 10. Okay. So 2 means what? 2 by 1. If we'll write in fraction the whole number, you can put 1 as the denominator. Eta janicho denominator sabude 1 हुए whole number. So 2 by 1 equal to 2 into 10 by 1 into 10. 20 by 10. So write it as 20 by 10 plus 5 by 10. So this one is your rough work. Okay. Then what you will do? 20 by 10. Now you can add 25 by 10. Okay. Same denominator. So you can add it 25 by 10. So 2.5 is what? 25 by 10. So look how easy to convert the fraction into decimal form and decimal into fraction form. So this is about today's class. So we have started the decimal. Okay. I hope you have understood. Thank you.